explain?
I understand.
You understand?
I understand you.
Uh-huh.
I really agree with you.
So what is degree? Let me give you some examples to think about. Temperature, very good. I heard temperature for this one. What's this? Angle. Wow, you're so smart. So we call them temperature degree and angle degree. Angle degree. So can you try to explain what's degree? I give you some prompts here. I give you some clues here. Degree. Some measurement. So you will have some number to show the degree. Yeah, you can see number here, right? And you can see a sequence of number. Like 0, 20, 40, 60. What's the rule here? Can I put 20 on the top? No. No. Why? Because you have a order. You have an order. The order from low to high. So degree means some words, they can show you different levels. Like we are in level 2 class, right? We have level 1. We also have level 3 and 4. And different levels means like low to high, or maybe small to big. So like from temperature, I have low temperature, I have high temperature. For angles, I have small angles and also have big angles. So we will learn some words that can express degree. So let's see. Some degree words. Oh, I should okay, it's okay. Degree words. So we will learn 6 degree words today. So first, extremely. Extremely. This is the high degree. Extremely. So what does extremely mean? So first, if you are in a desert, it's extremely hot. It's extremely hot. If you can see the polar bears, if you are there, it's extremely cold. Extremely cold. So extremely means very, very high degree. Very, very high degree. And I think this one, you all know this one, right? Very, very. It also means very high degree, but a little bit low than the extremely. Then really, really. You also know this one, right? Really. And this one, pretty, pretty, pretty. So if it's adjective, it means pretty. It means you are beautiful. You look very good. But it also can be a degree word and show like in the middle. The level is in the middle. And then kind of. It means like very low degree. Look, it's kind of crazy. It means like a little bit crazy. We also have a little bit here. A little bit just means this. A little bit. Very low degree. So yes, feel free to take your notes because we will use these 6 words later. These are the 6 degree words we learned today. So then, very good. We'll see some example sentences here. So I want to invite you read one by one. Nico, can you read the first one? Yeah.
You are extremely warm home.
And Artie?
She is really hard with me.
Jennifer?
Lona is pretty calm.
Next one. Luca?
Lily is very friendly.
Okay, and then Haruka.
You're a little noisy.
Insu?
She's kind of indifferent.
Yumi?
Mona is a little bit
Maybe it's true. Next one. Ingo, can you read this one?
Better is kind of is honest.
Maybe that's true, I'm not sure. So then I want you to discuss with your partner to try to find out why you can see like I put the yellow part for the adjective. So because like we determine as this positive, and here we determine as negative. So I want you try to think out why I use a little bit lazy, why I use kind of indifferent, why I use very friendly, why I use pretty kind. So discuss with your partner, the original partner. 222. To talk about rules, why I use kind of is this one. Can you see any patterns here?
So people say about positive things. They use this side. But people say negative words. This side.
A little bit.
And they recognize this.
So Singapore I need you to think about the first extremely, really pretty and very high degree of
For example,
high degree. High degree words, right? Look, you will look at this PowerPoint. So high degree, right? Yes, you understand. So here they are all high degrees, right? And how about those personality words? Are they positive or negative? Positive. Whereas the warm hearted is good. Really? High degree, right? High degree. Figure out something? Okay, tell me later. Tell me later. Now, everybody, okay, look at me. Okay, so what's your findings? What do you notice? I know it's a hard question. Jay, you tell me you know.
I don't know what I thought. People say something positive. They use. They want to emphasize that word. So they use high degree adjective.
Yes. And for those.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Yes. Only tell me one thing. Okay, I already invited another. So who have eye contact with me? Nobody? Nobody? No. So Nico, maybe can you try to tell me how about this part?
I think it's the same, but for emphasize the
Mhm.
bad things.
Yes. So if you have those kind of negative personality words here, you will try to use low degree words, right? So let me clarify this for you. So first, yes, as Jay said, we will use high degree words to try to describe those positive adjectives. Why? Because you are doing good things. You are praise someone. You are compliment someone. If I say, Mona, you are so kind, you are pretty kind, Mona will be happy, right? So you are compliment someone. So we will use very high degree words with those adjectives.
Pharaoh, you are kind of kind.
So that's a problem. Will I be happy when Mona says, Pharaoh, you are kind of kind? What do you mean? Do you mean I'm really kind? We will talk about this later. So yes, next one. So we will have low degree words to describe those negative adjectives because you want to be indirect. You don't want to just say, Mona, you are lazy. You won't say you are lazy. You will just say, Mona, you are a little bit lazy. You want to try to to let her know, but you don't want to directly tell her. So you want to show that, or maybe sometimes you want to show that you are not sure. Like, our team is a little bit dishonest. So just for example, everybody. So sometimes you use kind of and a little bit to show that you are not certain. Well, we have the pedal class today, maybe this kind of feeling. So you would just want to show that you are not sure. You use a little bit or kind of. And also this kind of degree words also can soften the tone. So you want to be polite to others. Soften the tone. So not like you are lazy. It's like you are a little bit lazy. Soften the tone. Okay.
A little polite.
Mm-hmm.
A little polite.
A little bit. So, and for those examples, actually neutral adjectives, you can use both high level and low level degrees. So you can use whatever you want. They just show the level. Yeah, maybe we can read these sentences. So maybe how about Sue? Sue, can you read this one?
You are extremely shy.
Mm-hmm. And Jay?
Valerie is very sociable.
Jisoo?
He is very stubborn.
And Steven?
Mona is very introvert.
Introvert. And Mona, maybe read this too.
She is kind of talkative. They are a little bit serious.
Yes, those kind of adjectives, they are neutral. So you can use different, those 6 degree words, you can use all of them. And we will talk about Mona's question. Mona says, Vero, you are a little bit kind. So this is, if you want to say I'm easygoing, if you say I'm extremely easygoing, you will have this emoji. Like very, very happy face shows that you are very easygoing. And very means not maybe just like this kind of eye, you open the eye. So very easygoing, really easygoing, and pretty easygoing. And can you see, I'm kind of easygoing and I'm a little bit easygoing. What's the emoji here? Does that mean I'm really easygoing? No, right? So if you use this kind of low degree with very positive adjectives, it doesn't mean it's the truth sometimes. So if you say, Jisoo, you are a little bit friendly, it's not, it won't let you happy. So friendly is a very good word, but you use a little bit, it's kind of, no, it's not truth. So remember that when you want to compliment someone, don't use these low degree words. Okay. Next, we will do a listening together. And before we do the listening, so I will invite, how about Mingsu, can you read these 2 questions?
How many adjectives about personality did you hear? How many degree words did you hear?
Yes, so when you do the listening, pay attention to the adjectives about personality. Pay attention to the degree words, and I will ask you later.
Describe your personality. Are you talkative or quiet, friendly or shy, old-fashioned, serious, hardworking, romantic, fun? Are you basically an optimist or a pessimist?
Oh, wow. I'm very talkative. I'm pretty open with people. Gregarious, I guess some people would describe me as. I'm very honest. I will basically talk to anybody about anything if they ask me. I'm a romantic. I can be shy. It takes me a little while to get comfortable in new surroundings. But then once I'm comfortable, I kind of open up and I'm okay. I'm pretty easy to talk to. I have people sit down next to me on the subway and will tell me their life story, and I don't even know them. I have that effect.
How do you think of?
Yeah, stops here. So I know, don't think about those adjectives as the man asks. Only about the woman says. Only about the woman says. So what do you hear? Talkative. Honest. Ingwo listens about the honest and romantic. Yeah, we learn romantic in the movie, right? Romantic. Very good. Shy. Oh, you also listen about shy. Yes, very good. So this is.
How would you describe?
So talkative, open, gregarious. We don't talk about this today. Gregarious just means sociable. Means you like to make friends. This is a very fancy way to say sociable. And honest and shy. So you got all the answers. Wow. And what are some degree words you listen about?
Pretty.
Very.
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 Pretty.
Pretty. Pretty. Kind of. Yes, you got all of them. You got all of them. So we can listen about very, pretty, kind of. So now focus on those words. We will listen to the video again, and I will show the subtitles. This is too small.
How would you describe your personality? Are you talkative or quiet? Friendly or shy? Old-fashioned, serious, hardworking, romantic, fun? Are you basically an optimist or a pessimist?
So we will stop here because we have some new words here, right? Old-fashioned. Does anyone know old-fashioned? So you love old things, like vintage things, and you like not like modern things. So maybe like nowadays people will talk about K-pop, but you still like those kind of very classic music. So you are very old-fashioned. And we also have optimist and pessimist. This just means positive and negative. Okay, so let's move on.
Oh wow. I'm very talkative. I'm pretty open with people. Gregarious, I guess some people would describe me as. I'm very honest. I will basically talk to anybody about anything if they ask me. I'm a romantic. I can be shy. It takes me a little while to get comfortable in new surroundings. But then once I'm comfortable, I kind of open up and I'm okay. I'm pretty easy to talk to. I have people sit down next to me on the subway and will tell me their life story, and I don't even know them. I have that effect.
How do you think other people see you?
So do you catch all the words now? Do you catch all the words now? Very good. So basically we're based on this video to talk about our next part.
How would you describe your personality?
So describe your personality. What do you think about the woman's description about her personality? She talks a lot, right? She talks a lot, like almost for 1 minute. Can you talk about your personality for 1 minute? That's hard, right? It's so hard. It's even hard for me. But we will have some ways that can help you to talk about longer description about your personality. So, I quote some sentence from the woman. So I will invite someone to read this for me. Who wants to read this? Jennifer?
Thank you. I'm very talkative. I'm pretty easy to talk to. I'm pretty open with people. I have people sit down next to me on the subway and will talk. Will tell me their life story, and I don't even know them. I have that effect.
Very good. Thank you, very good. And this, I'm very honest. I basically talk to anybody about anything. So I want you to focus on those green words. Focus on those green words. How does the woman make the description so long? Focus on those